Hi Geisermans, Fine Country Oxfordshire. Welcome today to Thrupp Cottages, a fantastic location. When they say location, 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 this is it. Come and take a look. As you enter the property is a period grade 2 listed home. We enter into this lifestyle living and dining space. A superb location for those entertaining days, as you have a terrace that lies out onto the eastern side of the garden and doors that open onto the front terrace as well. So when entertaining friends or having a barbecue, this is an amazing room to open the 6 pairs of double doors and have a fantastic occasion. There's also space at the other end for a dining table that's more formal and a games area for the children. There is also now the door that leads upstairs to the principal bedroom suite. And this is a lovely separate principal bedroom suite, which is 23 feet square, and it's got a dressing area to one end, which leads in turn to this lovely luxury family bathroom with roll-top bath, toilet and basin, with a small dressing area to get prepared for those evenings out. Adjacently, this room here is utilised as an office, so you can work from home, but also the flexibility this room offers with the external staircase allows for this whole suite and office to become independent and self-contained. So having come from the extended south wing of the property, which was done in 2000 by the current owners, we come through the linked hallway into the original house, which is called the north wing. And this was dated, we believe, back to as early as 15th century. We've got a lot of modern renovations that have taken place with the bespoke oak kitchen and granite work surfaces, underfloor heating throughout the ground floor here, the range cooker, integrated dishwasher, and obviously the essential wine cooler. No home's complete without one. Integrated fridge freezer, which leads into the utility space. And in the utility, again, the same standard of work surfaces. There's also a water softener and plumbing for the dishwasher and washing machine and tumble dryer. From here we have the luxury shower room, which is really useful when the kids come in from their sport or if you've been on a muddy dog walk. Directly from the kitchen we enter into the dining hall, one of my favourite rooms of the house, with its log burning stove and the bread oven and the feature stone fireplace with the oak mantle. We've got the oak staircase to the first floor and an external door to the north elevation of the property. And for the evenings there's this lovely sitting room, which is really cosy with another log burning stove and this window seat, which is really delightful. Go and have a look at the first floor on the main part of the house. Come and take a look. As we get to the top of the landing, there's lovely natural wooden flooring and all the oak timbers that feature throughout the upper floor. The guest bedroom suite, which we're now in, has another log burning stove and feature fireplace, which is a real focal point of the room. There's bespoke handmade oak cabinetry to the side, and the vaulted ceilings are tremendous. And you do have that very lovely vista across the 1.65 acres of property down to the pond at the bottom of the garden, and a luxury double shower room as an ensuite. In addition to the guest bedroom, you've got another superb vaulted ceiling room. What's worthy of note is that the renovations undertook a really comprehensive installation process. So all the ceilings, downstairs and upstairs, and the walls were treated with modern insulation materials to fully insulate the home. The family bathroom serves the bedrooms. There's a pressurised water tank, an airing cupboard, as well as a whirlpool spa, bath, double shower cubicle, and the essential toilet and basin. There is underfloor heating to the first floor like the ground floor, with the extra backup of the radiators as well. All the windows are handmade in oak, and this bedroom here, again, a really good size room, a double in size. The third bedroom upstairs. Finally, a fourth bedroom, which again is a really favourable size for a double bedroom. I know one of the features of the house that is particularly attractive to me is the ability to entertain. There's such a vast expanse of terrace here, which leads directly back into what was the former pool room. But now you can open those doors and have a fantastic gathering, al fresco dining or barbecue party with as many guests as you like to invite. The property also benefits from, it's 1.65 acres. It's exceptionally well established as a garden. There's a natural well which is used to pump water to several points around the garden to irrigate it. And we've also got secluded lighting that's run from the shed across the way here. But the lighting in the evenings is a very attractive feature, illuminating the many specimen trees that you can see within the garden. One of my favourite spaces, which we're off to now, is the pond and the pavilion. Let's take a look at that. So definitely one of my favourite parts of the garden is here, just over the bridge at the very bottom of the garden. It leads in turn to the pavilion and the pond. Obviously this time of the year with the water level it's not as high as normal, but it's a great place to come with the running water that's normally on and just sit and look back at the house. What a great view. Local to the area here is the Abbey, which was first perceived to be here from 675 AD. It's what Abingdon has gained its name from, and the lovely Abbey grounds leading down onto the River Thames. Obviously Abingdon is situated on the River Thames, which runs all the way from Oxford upriver, and the Thames itself goes through the town centre, and it's fantastic for families to come down to the Abbey grounds and utilise the many facilities that are available to them, with an open swimming pool and a children's play zone. The Nag's Head pub, with its gardens overlooking the River Thames, is a great place to have Sunday lunch and a cold drink, watching the boats pass by upriver to Oxford. Also, the trains from Radley Station And there's 29 trains that run daily from Radley to both Didcot Parkway and Oxford itself, with onward journeys to London, Paddington and Marylebone taking under the hour. There's also the White Horse Sports Centre, which has a fantastic indoor tennis centre with 6 courts. It has floodlit external courts, badminton, basketball and a swimming bath for the family to enjoy. If you've enjoyed the tour of Thrupp Cottages today, I really would emphasise that if you're looking for a very special private location, this property cannot be beaten. If you're interested to know more about the property, don't hesitate but give me a call on the details that follow the video. And thank you for watching.